Hey, so what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make some extra money by going on liquidation.com and purchasing auctions on Amazon returns and placing bids on stuff that were returned. And I'm going to show you today. So here we go. We're going to go to liquidation.com. This is the homepage. Shows you some neat stuff here, things that you could buy. Let's go to, I'm already signed in. Well, you would sign in, make an account, and you go from there. So I'll show you my account here, guys. Let's see. My account up here. What you see here is everything that I'm bidding on right now that's still active. See, closes tomorrow at 7:50 p.m. These are ones that I've bidded on. I'm going to show you some that I've already won and that I've purchased. So this is one that I won earlier today. The MSRP was $1,200. I got it for $120 plus shipping. Shipping was about $40. Tells you what comes with the auction, the manifest here. Then you got some pictures. I'll show you another one that I've won. This one here as well. This one was $1,200. Got it for $190 plus shipping. Here are some pictures, what's in the box. We could view the manifest here. This item went for $103.97. A couple Xbox controllers, some chargers. So yeah. Now if you go back to your account, tells you over here active auctions, your watch list, your transactions. Now if you want to search for an item, you can go to electronics here, search, and look at all the stuff here that are going for bids. So here's this one, consumer electronics and video games. So starting bid is $100. This one's going for $17,000 MSRP. So that one looks pretty cool. See some pictures here, see some DVDs. We could view the manifest as well. So this is everything that comes with the auction if you win. So I'm going to go ahead and place a bid for this. So you would put 110 and then you would click place bid. I'm not going to do place bid because the next page is going to show you all my personal information. So I'm going to go ahead and skip that part, but once you place bid, it confirms your bid. You put your credit card information in, and you wait for the your bid to go away. And that's really it. You could use this to make some extra money by selling it on eBay or keeping whatever you want, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. You got clothing and accessories you could bid on, jewelry and watches. Here's all your clothing, electronics, computers and networking, houseware. It's a lot of cool stuff here. I usually stick with the electronics because it's what I know and it's very popular. That's it, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot and enjoy.